Yamangana majense yabono maragobe togo chaka kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira oko ngusanani oko gendrete kati ya serikali amone jibunge na boigo serikali chechi kaunti ananaso gutabo toka wechibesa gochia serikali chechi kaunti aba MCA kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira seri tukoli yale rabuna chinse mochinde ni goba kachikura na goeti buna mbali gochiko gendra nebi karobyabo ase bunge ejo anemye kaunti ya Nyamira asogote abune serikali ni go yangire kwa bwato kerengeri yabo go sechibesa chiabo echo bante konyora kiro motinyi kolengana ba MC abuni go batebuna ebikaro byabo bya bitambe ni go bono byatuguterware go ikeserikali yeguro kogani kwa bogati yali bo go bagendrete kwe murunganya ngamo asoko mo serikali asoko nyara go etie keganchi gechibesa echibono chiko nyara go sira magendra as chigwodi kemanye kantebuna ward development fund asebate birabuna go ikeserikali kogani kwabo mamaye kogendra nebikaro ase bunge je county ya Nyamira omurikito kurose county jobuma angi noroboti rwa senchira yoboime
Chitariki Satomotienyi Ogatano nigo mu chibunge chechi county barwete amatuko 18 ujasi serikali enene wikirania amaganyo ya ba MCA unokoro wechibesa cha magenderero astiward nabo igokwe kuchibesa ekero ikaransire ebikaro.
Note in adopted the resolution made by the General Assembly of the Association of Members of the County Assemblies during our inauguration National MCAs Congress held on May 3rd, 2023 at KICC Nairobi, Mr. Speaker. Further, aware that the resolutions include the establishment of a Ward Development Fund and a County Affirmative Action Fund for nominated MCAs, members of the County Assemblies, Mr. Speaker.
Gaya serikali konyoro wikirania amaganyo ba MCA nigaba MCA kurwase bunge county Nyamira baiteti omoswada bogotenenia ebikaro asinga kistamanyiri asomoswada orete twino mokonyo umuraibwa bange ase bunge county Nyamira duko masira lichukoli igoro nigaba MCA baro gusiro chosomoswado yo na bateba nenchera eyamoyo korokia obomo ekaro bakurwanerera oboene bwabo bunaba MCA asense icho ya Kenya.
Today is an historic day, whereby the nation, the Republic of Kenya, is gone to feel the weight of an MCA. The issues that were raised at KICC, they were pregnant. Today is the day we are going to give back.
Koteba magani abo nabwenete kuligererwa ase oboime mono.
That we should have the Ward Fund and Affirmative Action, what the Honorable Members mentioned. We support the issue of salaries, Mr. Speaker. We support the issue of double taxation, Honorable Speaker. We support the issue of security, Honorable Speaker. And these other issues he has mentioned. Honorable Speaker, I strongly support that the earliest time possible, I want to second this Honorable Member for the good idea that he has brought up. I support. I second.
Azegi karo kiaro no mokonyo umo Speaker Tadeus Nyabaro nigo baeche omoswada ase obonge.
That will as many of the similar opinion that this house adjourns definitely. Say aye. Aye. Will as many are of contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it. Honourable members, the House stands adjourned, signed, die. Honourable members, the House stands adjourned, signed, die. Honourable members, go back to committees. Honourable chairs of committees of this House, be vigilant.